Hi, describing my life. Personal information. My name is Luz Adriana Estupiñán Lozano. I am 28 years old. I live in Málaga, Santander. My email address is anita9228 at gmail.com. I am working in company cleaning. I live in neighborhood María Auxiliadora. My house is small. It has 3 rooms, a small plot, and is very cozy. My hobbies is ride a bicycle with my sister, and I like to go for walk my family, dance with my friends. My favorite food is the spaghetti with meat and grilled breast. My favorite movie is The Last Man. The Last Man because I like the protagonist, his vocation and the hope he guides the soldiers. My favorite book is Satanic. Satanic is because it is a book that shows the cruel reading of what is happening in the world. My quality favorites. My positive qualities are I know many verbs. I can understand basic conversation and in English. I can introduce myself in English. My negative qualities are I do not know much vocabulary. I have difficulty with pronouncing. My routine, my daily routine. In the morning, I get up at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I get dressed and I work at Bisin a shield on their homework. Then I go to the cleaning company. I sweep. I clean. I move. I get home at 2 p.m. I have lunch. Go for a walk with my sister for 1 hour. Then I have a virtual class from 4 to 6 in the afternoon. Then I do my university work. On weekends, I ride a bike with my sister and walk my family. Sunday, I meet my friends and we share. A significant person is my mother. Is named Luz Marina Lozano Torres. She is 50 years old. She is a housewife. She is tall and thin. Her eyes are blue. mm, Her hair is long and straight and black. My mother is friendly. My mother is tender. My mother is cheerful. Experience that made experience that made me feel happy. Mm, was when I was 8 years old, when my brother was born, that my whole family was happy because the only boy was born, because we were already together. Since that day, I become my brother's best friend. And the event that made me feel sad was when my grandfather did. He was a tender, friendly grandfather, and they spoiled me a lot. I was his favorite granddaughter when he did. I was 11 years old. Thanks. Happy day.